to another vlog and another video. It is Christmas Day. It is Christmas Day 2019. Merry Christmas 2019, everybody. We are here at grandparents' place, and we just had company over, and people really loved our brownies for sure.
They did.
And they loved our dipped chocolate covered pretzels we ended up making. And my mom and stepdad brought spinach artichoke dip and the sun-dried tomato dip. People all in all loved the couple of spreads we made. They liked the tuna dip all right. They were more into the chicken wing dip. Don't have a ton of storage space here, so let's get right to it with opening up gifts here. These are hold on. These are all of our gifts for this year. All right, let's get started. What?
Open up and just line them up and take one picture. He's going to photograph the whole. This is what we should.
Okay, I'm ready.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
I'm not kidding you. Just pull it. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Skeleton. I know.
Starting out with this one.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. All right.
Neon light, everybody. Check that out.
You see what that light is in the form of? It's a lightning bolt light. It's
Yeah.
like a light. Is that cool?
I like it.
I thought it was totally cool.
I like it.
Wow. Okay then. The tiny brain. Are we Daniel first? What? Dinner? Yeah, that was very nice of him. You should totally do something like this. We love Amazon.
You love Amazon.
They brought us a big box of presents.
Comfy glow.
It glows in the dark. It's a glow-in-the-dark blanket. I thought you thought.
Wow.
I think that's pretty cool.
I like it. Folks, this is a glow-in-the-dark blanket, everybody.
Okay, it sounds neat.
I'll show you stuff that we didn't wrap. We got a Reese's box right here.
Do you mind that sometimes you leave some things uncovered? So you
No.
can, yeah, I think.
And then we have a Buffalo Bills a brand spanking new Buffalo Bills welcome rug right here, everybody.
Thank you.
Got a recipe card collection thing here.
I think it's 30 minutes or less, Al, for your recipes.
Nice, 30 minutes or less recipes, everybody, inside this tin right here. We got movie night for two. Check that out. Gotta love that, everybody. Movie night for two. Okay. Now let's get back to this. Get back to the wrap stuff.
Oh, so exciting, isn't it? So exciting. Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's
Hilton Cadets.
yay! Go Cadets!
Go Cadets.
Picture.
George.
From Walmart. It's the Walmart brand.
Walmart brand. Long sleeve shirt, everybody.
Who's George? I hope you like that one.
Classic tractors.
You see the ones on the back? They're really nice. It shows all the John Deere and everything.
Yeah. And then this one next, it looks like I see a pair of gloves inside.
I bet you could